What if I told you the AI was never stupid? Your prompt was just incomplete. Stay with me. Because one small trick can make any model 10 times smarter.
Most people ask the model vague questions. They get vague answers. The model is not guessing wrong. It is answering exactly what you asked for.
There is a single trick that changes everything. 4 letters. R, C, F, E. By the end of this video, you will never write a prompt the same way again.
First, the model does not read words. It reads tokens. Your sentence gets chopped into pieces. One word can become 2 or even 3 tokens.
Each token becomes a number in a vast meaning space. Words that mean similar things sit close together. This is the map the model thinks with.
Then attention kicks in. Every token asks a question and answers one. The model decides which words matter most, using a math trick called softmax.
A vague prompt scatters attention everywhere. A structured one focuses it like a laser. Same model, wildly different results.
Think of it as a funnel. At the start, the model is uncertain. Good framing collapses the options until only the best answer remains.
Here is the framework: role, context, format, examples. Add each layer, and the output climbs from mediocre to genuinely useful.
The proof is in the numbers. On the GSM 8K math benchmark, the same model jumps from 18% to 74% accuracy just by how you ask.
Take it further with self-consistency. Run many reasoning paths, then take the majority vote. The outliers fall away, and the right answer wins.
But there is a trap. Pile on too many rules, and the model quietly starts ignoring them. The sweet spot is around 8 to 10 clear constraints.
If this is clicking for you, hit like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow.
This is not theory. Stripe ships 1,300 AI pull requests a week. Walmart runs over 4 million prompt calls every single day.
Follow the money. NVIDIA, Apple, Alphabet, Microsoft, Meta. The entire stack is a bet on AI, and the market is pricing it in.
The labs themselves are staggering. Anthropic near $1 trillion, OpenAI close behind, and the prompt engineering market is growing at 55% a year.
But every prompt is also an attack surface. Prompt injection is now the #1 threat on the OWASP list, with attacks up 340%.
The future is context engineering. Systems that assemble their own prompts. MCP is becoming the USB-C for AI, with 97 million downloads and counting.
The AI was never stupid. Your prompt was just incomplete. That is the real 10 times. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your best prompt tip.